This is my new helmet from AGV. I love it. Comes up with the flip up. I love the flip up. I just gotta have it. Can't just be closed up into a helmet, you know, when I'm riding, and just it's very hot out here, especially in California. So I love it. Very lightweight. I mean, I was picking up the box. I thought, you know, was the helmet inside? You know, I had to really open up the box to find out the helmet was inside. The box was so light. Also comes with the pin lock. Also comes with some, it looked like some lube, and another chin strap in here. Some stickers, which is really good. Now this is my old helmet. Had a HJV. No, I got the pin lock on there too. It was a good helmet. You know, nothing was wrong with it. I just wore it so much and been through so much with it. You know, I think it was just time for another upgrade. I'm gonna need to put this chatterbox on this helmet. So, you know, something I'm gonna be doing. That's probably my next thing. But first, I'm gonna put the pin lock on. But I noticed one thing when I went to the store. They both the same size. Double X. Let me see, double XL. But this helmet is a lot tighter than this helmet. Maybe because of this helmet's already broken in. But even before, I remember when I first put this helmet on, it was tight. But this one is like, it's real snug, real tight. You know. They said the vision on this helmet is a lot better than this one. I mean, from the outside, you know, they almost look the same. Maybe this is a little bit bigger, but I guess time for me just to get on the bike and tell you how I feel by experience. You know, give me some likes. I get enough likes, I'll push forward and do a riding review on this bike, let you guys know how it is, how the braking process went. You know, leave some comments and I'll get back.